The Beaverhill Bird Observatory, or BBO, is a bird banding and monitoring station located 60 kilometers east of Edmonton, near the town of Tofield, Alberta. Since 1984, scientists and volunteers have been banding songbirds and raptors to monitor their populations and distributions for research. Are you interested in birds or just having a fun day? Anyone can get involved and participate in the banding efforts. There are many opportunities to come to the BBO and see the whole banding process, as well as get up close and personal with Alberta's migratory bird species. From May 1st to June 10th and August 1st to October 10th, you can come see woodpeckers, warblers, and other songbirds during the spring and fall migratory bird bandings. From September 10th to October 31st, it's time for some owling with the northern saw-whet owl. Other events held at the BBO include a crepe spectacular held in June, where you can enjoy your breakfast with the birds. And in October, you can become a night owl with the BBO's Steaks and Saw-Whets Barbecue Dinner. Check out these cool links for more information on the Beaverhill Bird Observatory, bird banding, or any of the other events. Hope to see you there!